being loaded, all set, ready to race. Race number 6. Racing gas is started. We have Marcus Empire. First to show quickness at the start, written in the stars. Is running by the rail, then followed over by Might of the Wind. Down the inside comes entry number 1, Highway Builder. For this time, Kai Camren, Sunday Street. Bullseye. Then next online is Graceful Conqueror, while Makati Haven is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Marcus Empire by Everlink Anyhap. Might of the Wind in second. Down in third is written in the stars. Next online now is Sky Camrens. Down inside comes Graceful Conqueror. For this time in the middle, Bullseye. Next online now is Highway Builder, Sunday Street second last, while Makati Haven is still running at the tail of the field. Another part turn, we have Marcus Empire, Might of the Wind in the middle. And on the outside now is written in the stars. Then here comes Graceful Conqueror, now closing in fourth. Next online is Sky Cameron's Bullseye. Then followed over by, for this time, Highway Builder, Sunday Street, while Makati Haven is still running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have written in the stars, Everlink Anyhap, Graceful Conqueror now closing in second with about 150 meters more to run. And it's still written in the stars, Graceful Conqueror moving up on the outside and now taking the lead. And finally it's Graceful Conqueror written in the stars. Third, Mile of the Wind, then comes close finish.